Creepy but True Space Incidents, Part 2. In 1969, the Apollo 10 astronauts orbited the Moon as a test run for the Apollo 11 mission. While they flew around the far side of the Moon, which put them out of radio contact with Earth, they heard some strange sounds. The entire transcript of their conversation was initially classified by NASA and only released from NASA's archives in 2008. But the actual recording of the noise was still kept under wraps until 2016.
That music even sounds outer spacey, doesn't it? You hear that? That whistling sound? Yeah. Woo! Look at your... Yeah, it sounds like, outer space type music. Hey, Tom, is your insulation all burned off here on the